Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, we will show you how to edit and customize the header of your Shopify store. The header is one of the first things customers see, so customizing it can help improve navigation, branding, and the overall user experience. Now let's get started. On the Shopify dashboard, to edit the header, we first need to go to the theme section. To access the theme, simply click on Online Store. You can find your online store on the left side of your dashboard. Once you are in the theme section, click on Themes. Here, to edit the header, click on Header. You can click the drop-down menu. Now, you have the option to use a logo. You can add the logo here, just the logo. And you can also include the main menu. You can edit this section. You can also add text here. Additionally, you can add sections to the header, such as omitting dividers. You can edit these elements in your header. You can also rename this section if you want, and just give it a new name. Here, you can make edits. For your logo, you can update the name or choose different locations if needed, so you can edit your local settings. Here, you can upload your logo. Select your logo and upload it here. Once you're finished, just click Save. That's how we edit and customize the header in your Shopify store. A well-designed header can make your store look more professional and easier to navigate.